Ooh, our castle looks perfect, Elmo.
Yeah, Elmo and Abby did a great job.
Oh, Elmo, what are those jars for?
These are Elmo's spend, save, and share jars.
Spend, save, and share jars?
Oh, nice castle, you two.
Thanks.
Oh, Daddy, Abby was just asking about Elmo's spend, save, and share jars.
Oh, yeah? Well, we put money in these jars because it's a special way to help Elmo make good choices about how to use money. See, Abby, we put money in this jar with the purple circle for things Elmo's gonna buy now. We put money in the jar with the orange triangle to save up for something special Elmo might want.
Yeah, Elmo is saving money for a new board game.
That's right. And the money we put into the jar with the blue square is money Elmo puts aside to share with others who may need help.
Ooh, I like to do this with my family, too.
Elmo likes the jars because it's easy for Elmo to see how much Elmo has saved. One time, Elmo found $1, and Elmo got to choose which jar to put it in all by himself. Elmo chose the share jar.
Oh, hey now. I think it looks like we've saved enough money to buy that board game we wanted.
Yay!
Thank you for inviting me over to play your new game.
Yeah, Elmo loves his new game. Elmo's so happy he's learning about spending, saving, and sharing with these jars.
Yeah.
Ooh, jump, jump, jump.
Oh, you get to spin again. Oh, this is fun.
Pretty good, this game.